Friends, 8 years back, I had invested in Power Grid Corporation at the rate of 36 rupees. I buy only 300 shares near about 10,000 rupees. Now I have 1 lakh rupees in Power Grid Corporation. So if a person invested 1 lakh rupees 8 years back in Power Grid Corporation will get near about 10 lakh rupees after a period of 8 years. Actually, this is the way of investing in stock market. But no one is doing so. Our veteran investors like Rakesh Jhunjhunwala is holding Titan for more than 15 years. He buys the share at 7 rupees and still he is holding that Titan. But what we do, if we buy any share at 7 rupees, when it goes to 10 rupees, we will sell that share. We will say that Rakesh Jhunjhunwala get crores of rupees in Titan, LIC get crores of rupees in that share, like that. We also will get such a profit that they get if we became a patient investor. Actually, today I am not talking about Power Grid Corporation, but I try to find out a share like Power Grid Corporation in order to help all of my viewers, all of my long-term investors. Before that, if anyone is new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. The name of the company is RVNL, Rail Vikas Nigam Limited. It is a wholly owned subsidiary of Indian Railway. It gives a complete solutions to all railway infrastructure projects. It conducts mainly all the projects of railways, including electrification, coach manufacturing, railing, etc. It had a vital role in the whole infrastructure of a railway. It is just young now. Grab it at young age and be a part of his journey, be a part of his business. After 8 years, if you invested 1 lakh rupees, you will become 10 lakh rupees. I am sure about that. So this video is especially for those who are ready to hold the share for a long period. So many of my clients ask me to give a share like this, if they are like to hold for 8 years. So this video I mainly dedicate to those people in the age group of 20 to 30 years and ready to hold the share for next 8 years as a patient investors. This share can also be considered as an SIP manner also, systematic investment plan. You can invest a small amount every month out of your salary. Along with RVNL, I also like IRFC also, Indian Rail Finance Company. This is also in the same category. I had pointed out here some points on the basis I firmly believe this share will be a multi-bagger in the future. Recently, I think today, the Modi in his independence speech said that the complete electrification of the Indian Railway within a period of 3 or 4 years, it will directly affect the companies like RVNL and IRFC. It is a great announcement in favor of RVNL. I told about Power Grid. When I purchased Power Grid, there is nothing in valuation, but expecting the future prospects of the company, I buy that share. But in case of RVNL, the picture is entirely different. Already it had a valuation. It had an EPS of 4 rupees and a PE ratio of only 6 rupees against industrial P of 36 rupees and having a face value of 10 and book value of 28. This is in good valuation now itself. So easy target is 100 rupees within 2 or 3 years, but I expect more from this company. The dividend yield of the company is 4%. And I expect the company may give 4 rupees, 4 or 5 rupees after 3 or 4 years, and it may give even 100% dividend, that's 10 rupees on investment. So if you buy 3,000 shares now, 3,500 to the 400 shares, it will be only 1 lakh rupees. You will get 30,000 dividend itself. Sometimes this company may announce dividend, interim dividend also. So 1 year you may get 30,000, 60,000 rupees per as dividend itself. So as in way of dividend itself, you will get your money back. And I expect bonus issue also. So if you buy 1,000 shares now, after 8 years, if the company announces 1:1 bonus, you may get 1,000 shares more, and your value will be, and maybe it will be traded above 150 rupees. So as an overall, including dividend, bonus, etc., I am sure that if you are a patient investor, you will get 1 lakh rupees to be converted into 10 lakh rupees. Another point is that it is a debt-free company. Overall, it had declared its result on June 2021. There's a 48% increase in the net profit when compared to the 2020 June quarter result. So, in profit wise also, it is showing consistent profit, consistent dividend paying company. Overall, the picture is very good. And most interesting factor I notice is that LIC had 8.16% in the company. LIC won't invest in a company without having any fundamental, without seeing anything. LIC won't invest in a company. But they invest not like us. They have a long-term basis they are investing. So we are ought to become a part of them. Just invest like LIC. So LIC have 8.12% in the company is not a small thing, it's a very good thing. FIOs have 0.25% stake in the company. Actually, they decreased the stake from 0.45 to 0.25. It's not a matter, but within 2 or 3 years, they will increase the stake to 3 to 4% minimum. So overall, 78% of the company's shareholding is held by government itself, 8% by LIC, and 2.5% by the FIOs. So overall, which is very good for a long-term investment. However, the share capital is very high. That is the case of Power Grid also. So the movement will be very slow, and they have a great reserve also. Near about 3,481 crores they have reserve. So this is the best bet for the long term. So I expect this company to give a manifold returns to all the patient investors. So this is the overall picture of the RVNL. I hope everyone get a clear picture about the RVNL as a long-term story. If so, please like my channel, please share my channel to your friends and relatives. Thank you very much.